Welcome back with another video, guys. Today I'm here to show you guys my another new bird, because I have a love bird before I sell that, so I got a new crocodile. He's a nice bird, friendly. Come here, up, Roger, come here. So this is my cockatiel. He's friendly. Now he's gonna go on my shoulder. See, he's on top of my shoulder. If you guys can see this, look. See, he fly. So here it is. So this is my budgies. So this is my cocktail. Roger. So his name is Roger. So I have try for this candy for them. Little mess on the floor, I have to clean it. So I put the ladder to go in the box. So I put this ladder so they can climb to the box. So here they are. Hi. What are you doing? He's trying to bite me because he think I'm gonna hurt him, but he doesn't bite. Roger, no, come here. Come here. Stay here. No, come here. Look at that. He's my friend, Roger. Hi, Roger. Say everybody hi. No, you can't climb on my back. No, you have to come here. Come on. Come here. See? He fly. Come here. Let me put you up. Come on. Come here. Come on, my friend. No, you can't go there. So I take him outside. So he like to go outside. See, he's going with me. So he's gonna stay here on the chair. Now you come here. Up. So I put him like this. No, you can't climb. Climb here. So I put this ladder for him to climb on here. See, every morning, so we sit outside, so he climb over there, so he come down on the grass and he go back up. Now he gonna stay over there. If he wanna come down, he can come down, no problem. So he always stay there. Look it. Roger. Hey, Roger. So I leave him like a half an hour, 1 hour outside, stay with him. So when he come outside, he was so happy. He always stay outside. When I told him to let's go outside, he jumped on my back, my shoulder. He's ready to go outside. So today a little bit cold outside, so I don't want to let him stay like 10-15 minutes. Then I'm gonna take him inside because it's cold outside today. So please subscribe this channel, like this video, so click the bell icon, so when I upload the videos, so you can see more update coming. So now I'm planning, I'm gonna get the female crocodile female, and I'm gonna get one more bird after that, the Indian parrot. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get those two. So I wanna sell budgies, see if anybody interested for the budgies. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.